Good afternoon once again, guys, or good morning or good evening, wherever you are. And this is your Kalbung Vlogger once again. And it's Monday, meaning MJ Monday. And we will unbox another Jordan shoes or Air Jordan 1 shoes or Air Jordan shoes. And once again, guys, kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, if you are not subscribed yet to our channel, Karaming TV Plus or KMTV Plus, please do subscribe and we really appreciate it. And just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will get notified every time we have a new upload. And to those who subscribed in a couple of weeks, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for subscribing into our channel. Anyway, without further ado, let's start this one. Okay, this is a Air Jordan 1 Mid Oakland series or colorway. It is a Jordan size 11 and Jordan size 11. There you go. And it has a color of white, black, and laser orange. Well, you saw the thumbnail and the intro. You know what it looked like. So let's open this one. Excited ba kayo? Me? I'm excited. Let's go. There you go. Oops. By the way, the back is again black with the Jumpman logo, the gold Jumpman logo. There you go. One of my favorites, Jordan 11 Concord Red. And there you go, as usual, the white liner with the number 23. Woohoo! Look at that! Jordan 1 Mid Oakland. There you go. There you go, guys. I present to you the Jordan 1 Mid Oakland. There you go. Oakland actually is a city in San Francisco Bay Area, and this particular colorways it mimics the color scheme of the Oakland Athletics baseball team, but there's no what do you call this one? There's no direct collaboration between the two. Okay. Anyway, as you can see, it has it is made of leather. Once again, the upper part is made of white leather. It's made up of white leather, and the perforated toe, it is made white leather, and also the collar is white leather, guys. And prior to that white leather, there's a contrasting black nylon or canvas, I think, from the, what do you call this one, the eyelets. It's a black nylon, including the what do you call this, the forefoot. There you go, it's a black nylon. And of course the swoosh on both sides are black nylon, and the tongue is a black nylon with orange, laser orange stitches at the top, including the Jordan, the Jumpman logo is a laser orange. There you go. And from the inside too, there is. And finally, oh no, not yet. There's a green suede on the collar also. As you can see, it is made of leather, authentic leather. And finally, the additional suede of collar, laser orange on the heel. There you go. It has the, of course, the Jordan 1 High OG logo or the wing logo. Let's focus it. There you go. It's a same color, laser orange. Laser orange, ayan. And then what else? This is size 11, white midsole and a green at the bottom. It has the air sole on the, yep, there is an air sole technology included for added comfort, of course. And I will wear this on Father's Day, and we will go to church, and I will show you the video now. Yep, this is the shoes. I'm wearing them. It's very comfortable, guys, as you can see. This is from the top view. There you go. And this is from the side, and this is from at the back, as you can see. Yep, it's very comfortable. I don't feel anything, basta hindi. Anyway guys, this is just a quick unboxing. And by the way, once again, I did not bought this one, okay? If you watch my first unboxing video, the Chicago Air Jordan 1 Mid Chicago, I mentioned there that I won another, and I won this. I did not bought this one, okay? This is a prize, like I said before. I'm joining those Instagram and Twitter and Facebook promo or giveaways. Just make sure that you are following the right account or the verified account with the blue check. And this particular colorways, the Air Jordan 1 Mid Oakland, it was released last October of 2020. Anyway, this is just a quick unboxing, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy this quick unboxing. And if you are new, please consider subscribing to our channel and click the notification bell so you will get notified every time. Notified. Every time we uploaded a new video. And guys, once again, thank you very much. God bless you all, and always remember, keep your feet on the ground and wear Jordan shoes. Bye guys. Thank you and God bless.